Good morning, everyone. Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. We are in February. With that being said, we have the big boat sport and travel show coming up February 20th through the 22nd, and then February 25th through the 1st at the Indiana Fairgrounds, Indiana State Fairgrounds. I know a lot of people of you know where it is. Come out, see us. We are going to have, this year we are going to have a little preview. We are going to have a service booth set up there as well. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and go over what maintenance packages we're running. Every month we always run a maintenance special. I've got 3 of them this month. And this is highlighting because of the boat sport and travel show. So we are doing a $199 inspection, which that's regular $309. We are doing a BOGO sale, buy one, get one, a la carte maintenance package, 30% off. And then the next one you buy has to be of equal or greater value, obviously. Had to put that disclaimer in there. And the ultimate maintenance package, we are doing $300 off. That is a huge savings. We have never done $300 off on an ultimate maintenance package. Appointments are booking up, so I know the weather has not been cooperating for us here at Walnut Ridge or you as the consumer and customer, but hopefully that changes. It's supposed to be in the 40s here in the next week or two, so I'm hoping to see everyone out here or at the Boat Sport and Travel Show. Hope you enjoy. Take care.